Knowing how often to change your brake fluid depends on how often your brakes are used. For example, city drivers brake more frequently than those on a highway. How can you tell if it's time to change your brake fluid? Warning signs can include ABS light turning on, changes in brake pedal pressure, braking noises, or a burning smell after hard braking. Our factory-trained certified technicians will inspect your brake fluid, perform a full flush, removing low and/or contaminated brake fluid, and replace it with the fluid type and amount specific to your vehicle's year, make, and model. Don't ignore the warning signs. Trust us to keep you moving and stopping. Schedule an appointment today.